Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Japneet Kaur and today is going to be the last video where we discuss about Kathak footwork. Mainly Atgun. How ये Atgun कैसे होगी यार, ये Atgun हो नहीं रही. I have been trying since so many years. You get tired, feet gets locked, ankle gets locked. So I had been receiving lots of comments like these lately and some more. So I thought I'll address this in a video. This is going to be the last video where we talk about footwork. Otherwise, lots of Riyaz videos have been available to you. You practice for 10 minutes, you practice for 30 minutes, you practice for 1 hour. I have produced lots of music videos for you to do Riyaz on. Okay. Coming back to the main topic of this video, Atgun kaise hogi. I'll give you 3 ways which helped me also to improvise Atgun over the years. So, first way is the most difficult one. Second way is a little less difficult one, but you gotta do it. Third way is the easiest one that I would prefer everyone, each one of you to do if you really want to work on improvising your Atgun. You will not be able to do second and third if you don't nail the first one. So you will have to first focus on the first one, the most difficult part, and then we will move to the second point. Then we will move to the third point, which practically is the easiest way. Let's start with the first one. Now, first one is please practice. Without expectation of when it will set in your body, please just keep practicing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. One day you will not even know that you are just able to increase the number of avartans that you do over the time, and it will just happen. Same way that it happens with the yoga poses. You on the very first time when you do it, you are at a different level, and when second time you do it over the months, you do it over the years, you just do it with your closed eyes. I mean to say, you can do it with open eyes too, okay, but you know what I mean. So practice, please practice. Keep on practicing without expectation of when it will come to your body. A second aspect of this first point only, don't get aggressive on the number of times you have practiced and that you're still not able to do it. It does not matter. It does not matter. Everybody has a different learning curve. I mentioned that in some comment also. Some student was on the verge of leaving Kathak just because she was not able to do Atgun, and her, I think everybody around her was able to pick it, but she was not. Please understand this, that everybody has a different learning curve. Everybody is of different age. Everybody has different pickup capacity. So don't compare yourself with anyone when it comes to मेरे से होगा कि नहीं. And this aspect applies to everything in life. It's fine. नहीं, आज नहीं हो रहा, करते जाओगे तो कभी तो होगा. Are you getting my point? जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना कि सलाद खाया और you go and start measuring. Don't do that. Keep practicing. Don't focus on कब आएगा, कब body में बैठेगा. Just keep trying and it will come into your body, I promise. Second, first one is done. The most difficult one is to be consistent, to keep trying, to keep practicing. So keep doing it. Second way. Now there had been lots of comments saying मैं तो इतने सालों से try कर रही हूँ फिर भी नहीं हो रहा. Now, if you have been practicing a lot and still you are not able to nail it or not able to improvise it, your feet still gets locked, then what you can do is notice the technical aspects of how you are doing it. कि आप ऐसा कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं कर रहे हो कि आप जल्दी थक रहे हो या आपका ankle lock हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है? Now let's get a little technical here. Imagine this is our feet. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, and this is our feet. Okay, so listen to the tapping carefully. Now if I tap like this, there's a different sound. Now if I clap like this, there's a different sound. 2 things you need to remember here. When you tap flat, आपका जोर ज़्यादा लग रहा है. When you tap, like when you create a vacuum, it's easier to clap, hands don't get tired. So the thing is, when we are tapping our feet, वी आर सपोज टू क्रिएट अ वैक्यूम. जो बोलते हैं ना कि साउंड अच्छी नहीं आ रही मैम, आपकी अच्छी आ रही है, मैं इतना जोर लगा रही हूँ फिर भी अच्छी नहीं आ रही है. वो इसलिए नहीं आ रही है बिकॉज यू आर टैपिंग इट फ्लैट, टैपिंग द फीट फ्लैट. ऐसे फीट चलेंगे आपके तो यू विल गेट टायर्ड वेरी अर्ली, योर एंकल माइट गेट लॉक्ड एंड द calves ऑल्सो विल गो लाइक डेड. सो अगर बहुत टाइम से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो और स्टिल यू आर नॉट एबल टू नेल इट, लुक एट द टेक्निकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कि आप कितनी ज़ोर से और किस टेक्निक से फीट मार रहे हो. एक और चीज़, जब आप अटगुन में पैर मारते हो, नो दैट ता और आ, यू हैव टू फिगर आउट कि कहाँ आपने ज़ोर देना है और कहाँ आपने पैर को हल्का छोड़ना है. दैट यू विल फिगर आउट इवेंचुअली इन योर बॉडी. दैट आप ये कर करके ही समझ आएगा, ये ऐसे नहीं आएगा. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज कंपल्सरी इफ़ यू इवन वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस सेकंड पॉइंट. सो उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस लगेगा. सो ये देखो कि जब आप टैप कर रहे हो तो आप कितने प्रेशर से ता और आ शुड बी क्लियरली ऑडिबल. एंड थई तक जब आप हील्स पे मार रहे हो, जब आप हील्स टैप कर रहे हो तो इतना हल्के से मारो कि वो प्यारी सी घुंघरू की आवाज़ भी आए और आप जम नहीं जाओ उस पे ग्राउंड पे. यू नो आपने टैप करके फटाफट अभी अगला टैप करना है बिकॉज द स्पीड इज फास्ट. ओके, लेकिन हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट अ वेरिएशन, एकदम से ता पे कमांड योर फीट दे कि हाँ ये ता आया, ये आ आया, थई तक हील्स. यू कैन tap in such a way that you are able to change the feet fast. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Let's revise it. First point, please keep practicing. Second point, look at the technical aspect of what mistake you are making. Don't tap the feet flat. Try to create a vacuum with your feet when you tap. और ता और आ में जोर लगाओ. थई तक में you can play. Eventually with your it will set in your body that you can play. थई तक में कैसे हल्का पैर रखना है, that you are able to switch feet fast. Okay. Third aspect, this is also technical and you will not be able to do this also if you don't nail the first one. That is, please keep practicing without the expectation of कि ये कब होगा. Okay. So third one is, जब आप आवर्तन कर रहे हो, लेट्स से एक आवर्तन ही लेते हैं अठगुन का. फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द आवर्तन ट्राई चौगुन बट विद फीट ऑफ अठगुन. मीन्स कि आप पूरा फ्लैट नहीं मारोगे. था और आ में पूरा पैर बज रहा है, थई तक में अब हम वही वाला फुटवर्क लेंगे जो अठगुन में करते हैं. सो अठगुन वाला फुटवर्क कैसा है? A video is there, I will link it, I will pin that in the description. And इसका practical aspect we will try in the next video. So to say theoretically what we are going to do is half आवर्तन अठगुन का चौगुन में करो but with same feet as अठगुन. Second half of अठगुन आवर्तन only you try proper अठगुन आवर्तन. For example, let's say हमें 11 आवर्तन करने हैं अठगुन के. So what you can do is for first 5 आवर्तन्स that you do, first half of अठगुन आवर्तन, 1 अठगुन आवर्तन, first half आप चौगुन में ले लो. ठीक है, मतलब फुटवर्क आप अठगुन का ही करो, the speed will be slower. Are you getting my point? तो first half चौगुन, second half अठगुन. You will get little break. Okay, second आवर्तन start हुआ, फिर repeat the same thing for 5 आवर्तन्स. For 5 आवर्तन्स, first half चौगुन, second half अठगुन, 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 first half चौगुन, second half अठगुन. ये किया, बॉडी में बैठ गया. एटलीस्ट सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ अठगुन यू आर एबल टू पिक, यू आर एबल टू गो. अगर ये भी नहीं हुआ तो इसको भी फर्दर डाउन यू कैन ब्रेक. For now, let's say half Adgun Avartan you are able to do if you do the first half with Chogun footwork. Second 5 Avartan में क्या करो? First half Adgun का footwork लो, second half में Chogun का footwork लो, slow down हो जाओ. फिर Adgun का first half में Adgun का footwork लो, second half में Chogun पे आ जाओ. Third time first half में Adgun का footwork लो, second half पे Chogun पे आ जाओ. Fourth time फर्स्ट हाफ पे अटकुन का फुटवर्क लो, सेकेंड हाफ पे चौगुन पे आ जाओ. लास्ट टाइम फर्स्ट हाफ पे अटकुन का फुटवर्क लो, सेकेंड हाफ पे चौगुन पे आ जाओ. नाउ since there are 11 avartans, what we can do is first 5 avartans we are doing first half part as chogun, second half part as atkun. We will take 1 avartan break, like stay there, take 1 avartan break, then start with first half. You try to do first half, you try to do atkun, then second half you try to do chogun. The practical will be released in the next video. Till then, try to do it on your own. Try to remember. Don't get fussy on ye kab aayega. Don't wait ye kab aayega. Just keep doing. It will happen when it has to happen. It's not in your hands. Actually, it's in your feet. So that's it for today. So this is going to be the last video where we actually talk about footwork. Keep practicing. That is the only way. Okay? And I'll see you in the next video where we'll be doing the practical. Oh, and yeah, happy dancing. You cannot say कि एक दिन किया ट्राई और नहीं हुआ तो मैं छोड़ रही हूँ. ऐसे मत करना. You will have to keep trying. It will come into your body, but don't rush to get the feeling कि अभी नहीं आया, अभी नहीं आया, अभी नहीं आया. इतने दिन हो गए, इतने महीने हो गए, इतने साल हो गए. क्यों नहीं आया? क्यों नहीं बैठा? What the fuck am I talking? क्यों नहीं आया? क्यों नहीं आया? क्यों नहीं आया?